Self-Help Groups or SHGs are more than just a gathering of individuals. SHGs serve as a backbone for financial inclusion, skill development, and social empowerment. Today, we will explore the various functions, activities, and roles of SHGs and how they contribute to sustainable development. Starting with our first function, financial inclusion. One of the primary functions of an SHG is financial inclusion. It starts with savings mobilization. Each member contributes a small amount of money regularly, pooling their resources into a common fund. This fund is used for internal lending where members can borrow money at low interest rates than what informal money lenders would charge. SHGs play a crucial role in keeping members out of debt traps and helping them invest in their businesses and personal needs. Many SHGs link with formal financial institutions, allowing members to access larger loans and participate in government financial inclusion schemes. These partnerships strengthen the economic backbone of rural communities. Capacity building and empowerment. SHGs are not just about money. They play a pivotal role in capacity building. Training programs and regularly organized to help members develop new skills, from agriculture to even small business operations. Another important aspect is leadership development. SHG members take turns in leadership roles such as president, secretary, and treasurer, giving everyone a chance to lead and develop decision-making skills. Perhaps the most significant impact of SHGs is the empowerment of women. SHGs provide a platform where women can make decisions, take control of their own finances, and assert their roles in both household and community matters. Social development and collective responsibility. Beyond financial activities, SHGs focus on social development and collective responsibility. Many groups engage in addressing social issues like health, sanitization, and education through collective action. From organizing health camps to building sanitation facilities, SHGs are at the forefront of community development initiatives. SHGs also serve as forums for resolving personal and local disputes, strengthening community bonds and encouraging mutual trust. Economic development. SHGs promote economic development by supporting income generating activities. From micro enterprises to agriculture, members are encouraged to start small businesses using their collective savings or external loans. By working together, SHGs enhance their bargaining power. Whether it's collectively purchasing raw materials or marketing products, SHGs ensure that their members receive better prices and increased profits. Networking and advocacy. SHGs often collaborate with NGOs and government bodies to access training, grants, and technical support. These partnerships help SHGs expand their operations and improve their effectiveness. Some SHGs even take on advocacy roles, lobbying for better policies and government programs that benefit low-income communities. Through their collective voice, they can influence decision making at higher levels. Disaster and crisis management. During crises like natural disasters or personal emergencies, SHGs act as a vital support system. They mobilize community resources and provide financial aid to affected members. Many SHGs also offer training on disaster preparedness and risk mitigation, ensuring that members and their communities are better equipped to handle emergencies. Promotion of mutual trust and cooperation. SHGs are built on mutual trust and cooperation. The collective management of money and resources foster a deep sense of trust among the members. Regular interactions not only strengthens interpersonal relationships but also create a sense of belonging and social cohesion within the group. Monitoring and evaluation. Monitoring and evaluation are key components of SHG operation. Groups regularly review their savings, loans, and other financial activities to ensure transparency and accountability. Many SHGs also undergo external audits by NGOs and government agencies to assess their impact on socio-economic development. Collective bargaining and resource sharing. SHGs often pool resources to purchase items like seeds, raw materials, or consumer goods at discounted rates, distributing them among members to reduce costs. Collectively marketing products is another powerful tool that SHGs use to increase their bargaining power and secure better prices. Health and welfare promotion. SHGs are also involved in health and welfare promotions, running health camps and awareness programs focusing on maternal and child health, nutrition and sanitation. Some SHGs link with insurance providers to offer affordable group insurance schemes, providing health and life insurance coverage for their members. Environmental conservation and sustainability. SHGs are increasingly becoming champions of environmental conservation. From promoting eco-friendly agricultural practices to leading reforestation and waste management initiatives, they are making a positive impact on their local environments. In some communities, SHGs are adopting renewable energy sources like solar power, reducing reliance on non-renewable resources, and even helping the environment. Access to government welfare schemes. SHGs often act as intermediaries between their members and government welfare schemes. They ensure that members are aware of and have access to benefits like rural employment programs, subsidies, and pension schemes. Education and literacy programs. Many SHGs also focus on education, running literacy programs, and vocational training sessions for their members. This helps individuals improve their reading, writing, and technical skills, opening new doors for employment and business opportunities. Self-help groups are more than just financial entities. They are engines of empowerment, social change, and economic development. By pooling resources, sharing knowledge, and working together, SHGs prove that collective efforts at the grassroots level can bring together about significant lasting change. Dear friends, if required, just pause this video, take a short break, and please do join us back as we look into the activities undertaken by self-help groups. I hope you have freshened your minds. Financial activities. SHGs undertake a variety of activities. Starting with financial activities, members regularly collect savings, which form the capital base of the group. Internal lending is one of the main functions, allowing members to take loans for personal needs or small business investments at lower interest rates. SHGs also establish formal bank linkages, access external credit and subsidies through programs like NABARD, SHG Bank Linkage Programs, which help expand their economic opportunities. Managing credit is crucial, and SHGs carefully monitor loan repayments and creditworthiness, making sure that everyone remains financially accountable. Income generating activities. Income generating activities are central to SHGs. Members start micro enterprises, including agriculture, handicraft, or even small businesses, promoting self-reliance. In rural areas, SHGs support farmers by purchasing seeds, fertilizers, or leasing land for collective farming, further enhancing productivity and their income. Many SHGs engage in producing local crafts, textiles, and other handmade goods, which they sell at local fairs or through collective marketing, allowing them to reach broader markets. Social and community development activities. SHGs play a crucial role in community development activities. They organize health and sanitation campaigns, providing essential services such as vaccination drives, family planning, and sanitation projects. Water management is another key area where SHGs contribute by building and maintaining community water resources, ensuring safe drinking water for all the members. SHGs also promote adult literacy programs, offering basic education to members who may not have had access to formal schooling. Capacity building and training. Capacity building is at the heart of SHG activities. Members regularly attend skill development workshops on various topics from tailoring to business management. Financial literacy programs help members navigate the banking system, manage loans, and even start their own businesses. Entrepreneurship development is another major focus, with SHGs teaching members how to plan, how to launch and grow small businesses. Environmental and sustainable development activities. SHGs contribute to environmental sustainability through activities like tree planting, waste management, and promoting organic farming techniques. Some SHGs promote renewable energy projects such as solar energy or biogas to reduce dependence on conventional fuels. Advocacy and social mobilization. SHGs are powerful advocates for social change, from organizing women's rights campaign to raising awareness about domestic violence and gender equality, SHGs empower women to stand up for their rights. They also act as intermediaries for government welfare programs, ensuring that members access benefits like subsidized loans, pensions, and health insurance. Networking and collaboration. SHGs do not operate in isolation. They network with other SHGs, forming federations that increase their bargaining power and enable them to take a larger projects like building infrastructure or managing communities' resources. Emergency response and relief activities. During times of disaster, SHGs act swiftly to provide relief and emergency support. Whether it is financial aid or mobilizing resources, SHGs are essential during crisis. Cultural and recreational activity. SHGs also play a vital role in cultural preservation by organizing community events, festivals, and traditional performances that strengthen social bonds and promote local culture. Monitoring and evaluation. Monitoring and evaluation are very much essential for SHGs to stay accountable. Regular internal audits and meetings ensure that funds are managed transparently. Many SHGs also undergo external audits to evaluate their performance and effectiveness in achieving social economic development goals. Therefore, from financial inclusion to environmental sustainability, self-help groups are engines of change at the grassroots levels. Through their collective efforts, SHGs are paving the way for a brighter and more empowered future for millions. Self-help groups prove that when communities come together, they can build not just better lives but a better world. Thank you all for joining this session. I look forward to see you in the next session as we still continue exploring the transformative power of self-help groups.